I'm starting a new series this month. The topic is data, and I have an analytics template I built years ago. I've been using that template ever since, and I've started to have questions about my data, and my spreadsheets aren't giving me those answers very easily. So I'm going to revamp my data system and my spreadsheet and take you along for the ride. Hi, I'm Appy from iCodeHappy. I'm a website and data advisor. I like to help my clients make sense of their websites and their data, and it's time for me to review my own systems. My first task, make a list of what's not working. I need to know the questions I have that I can't answer easily. That's the only way that I'll be able to start designing a system that will actually work for me. It's pretty easy to get a list of metrics somewhere or see what somebody else says about what they keep track of in their business. But if it doesn't answer your questions about the decisions that you need to make, then it's not going to help you in your business. That's where I'm going to start for my data system, and we'll go from there. Quick little story about an e-commerce client of mine. One time we used ads to help her get more website traffic. That didn't translate into more sales. So figuring out what we're trying to improve and what the bottom line is that we're really trying to affect, those are things that are going to help us measure the right things so that we can see what our data is really telling us and how it can help us make decisions. Next week, we'll start diving into the process. Click subscribe if you'd like to follow along. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me again.